Hello dears, a very good morning to all. So we are discussing about the chapter. What is the name of our chapter? Our universe. And we studied about the sun, the planets and also the earth. And we know that earth is known as a blue planet. Why it is known as a blue planet? Because it is the only one planet with water. It's the only one planet with water. That is why it is known as the blue planet. Okay. So today we can study the remaining part of the chapter. You have to open your textbook and take the page number 190. Okay. Take page number 190. So another important member of our universe or of our solar system, that is the moon. Okay. So in the last class I told you have to look the night sky and watch the moon. How many of you done? Did you see the moon? Yes. So we see the moon at night. At what time we are seeing? Then why the moon is coming only at night? Did you ever think? Actually, the moon is present day and night over there. But we can't see the moon during day because of the sun's light. During daytime, who is there? A big ball of fire is there. Who is that? Sun. Because of the heat and light from the sun, we cannot see. We are not able to see the moon during daytime. While the sun is going or while the sun is sitting, near to sit, we can see the light from the moon. Actually, moon doesn't have any light. It is only getting the light from the sun. It is a reflection of the sun. Sunlight is falling over the moon and it is reflecting back. Okay, we will study in higher classes how the process is happening. Okay, so the moon, we see the moon at night. It shines in the night sky. We know it is in the night sky. The moon goes around the earth. Moon is also revolving around the earth. Earthine chuttum ingane move ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് ആര് മൂണും. So there is a box in your page number 190. Draw the moon going around the earth in the box given alongside. You have to draw one moon in the box and one earth is also at the center, and you have to show how the moon is going revolving around the earth. എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഈ മൂൺ എർത്തിന് ചുറ്റും ഇങ്ങനെ മൂവ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നുള്ളതെന്ന് ജസ്റ്റ് വരയ്ക്കണം കേട്ടോ. പേജ് നമ്പർ 190. ഓക്കെ. Then, if you observe the moon every night, you will notice that it appears to change its shape. Did you notice that? Moon, we cannot see the full moon in all the day. Some days we can see only the moon as a round ball-like structure. This is called the full moon. Nowadays, yesterday, it was so beautiful, and today also you can see in your by standing in the yard, you can just look or watch the night sky and you can see the full moon. Sometimes we can see only half of it. After 10 days, when we are looking the moon, you can see only half of it. This is called the half moon. Sometimes again after 5 more days, we can see only a small part of the moon. Only a small part of the moon. It appears like that of a small crescent shape moon we can see. Sometimes we cannot see the moon at all. After this crescent shape, what will be there? There will be no moon at all. This is known as the new moon. Again, this moon is starting to revolve around the earth. He want to appear again. So we are waiting for the moon again. This is called the new moon. So you will study in higher class. Higher class will study how this process of revolving of earth and moon around the sun is happening and what is the secret behind this full moon, half moon, crescent moon, new moon, etc. So wait for next year, inshallah, from 3rd standard or 4th standard, you will study the secret behind the appearance of this full moon, half moon, crescent moon, new moon, etc. Then one more member is there in our solar system, that is the stars. Okay, on a clear cloudless night, if there is no clouds, what we can see, you can see many stars shining brightly. It's so beautiful when we are watching the night sky during a cloudless night. If there is cloud, we can't see, but if there is no cloud, we can see all this. Stars are also huge balls of fire and have light of their own. Not like that of moon. Moon doesn't have the light of its own. But the stars, they have the light of their own. They appear very small to us because they are very, very far away from us. That we discussed in the last class. Sun is also a star, but we can see the sun as somewhat bigger than the stars. Why? Because the sun is somewhat near to us, the other stars are so far away from us. You know that the sun is also a star. We know sun is also a star, but it is somewhat close to us. That is why we can see this. Then there is a box you can see. Let's check. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the closest planet to the sun and Dash is the farthest planet. So what is it that we studied? Mercury is the closest planet and Neptune is the farthest planet. Planets move around the sun along a fixed path called orbit. So don't forget to read this part. That's all about our chapter. From next day onwards, we will do the exercises and other remaining works of the chapter. Okay, thank you.